For your company, the benefits of AI are threefold: driving productivity, competitive differentiation, and raising commercial value. Hello, I'm Adam Riccoboni, the CEO of Critical Future and the author of The AI Age. I'm also a lecturer in artificial intelligence, and I was called upon in April 2020 to give evidence to British parliamentarians about how AI can fight COVID-19. We are now equipping British businesses with the skills, knowledge and expertise to leverage AI within your own companies. So why should you care about AI? Google CEO Sundar Pichai said that AI will be more important than electricity or fire. Stephen Hawking said AI could be the most important event in the history of our civilization. And Jeff Bezos has said we're at the beginning of a golden age of AI. So what will you get out of this workshop? We will enable you to understand how different AI technologies can apply to your business. And most importantly, we will tie them to your business strategy. And by that we mean what makes your company matter the most in a specific AI roadmap, customized directly for your company, outlining how you can use AI to the greatest strategic value. This is not going to be a pre-recorded webinar. This is a custom event specifically for your company where we're dedicating our time and expertise to applying AI technologies to the greatest strategic value to your company. I'll be hosting the event alongside my colleagues who are PhDs in machine learning from leading universities like Harvard. And Critical Future is a trusted AI partner of some of the biggest brands in the world. This event is exclusively by invitation only, and I look forward to welcoming you there.